Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with a haul. Diamond and I went today to a church sale and 2 thrift stores. Sam came with us later. He couldn't go to the church sale with us. He was at a doctor's appointment, and then we went and picked him up after. And then we went thrift storing with him. And then we went for lunch. But so at church sale, I found this little bundle. They were $2 for the bundle. I got a Thanksgiving little flag, 4th of July, Happy Spring, Valentine's Day. And I thought for $2 for them, I didn't think that was bad. I think this one's from the Dollar Tree. I think this one is too, but I don't think the other two are. But I could be wrong. But I paid $2 for them. I didn't think it was a bad deal, actually. Then I got a big United States flag. Nothing wrong with it. It is not nylon. It's not that really expensive like the one I have up on the pole right now. But I can put this out because I bring in my United States flag pretty soon. When I start, probably the end of September, I take my flag down because my flag I have out there right now, it's almost I think I paid $180 for my flag because it's sewn, it's stitched. It's not this nylon stuff. So I bring it in when it starts getting bad. So I think I can put that out for like the winter season. And then I got these, and I have a flagpole extra that Scott's going to put up for me next year. And this is like, look at these cute little hearts for Valentine's Day. And then this one says, I think it says Happy Easter. What's this? Yeah, Happy Easter. It says Happy Easter. So I'm going to get that on. Maybe Scott can put it up. So next year I can put this up. I got one that says Happy Spring, the big one like this that my neighbor gave me too. So I'm going to see if we can get him to do that for me. But $2 for all them. I didn't think that was bad at all. And I always said, if I found a wedding dress that was reasonably priced to put on my skeleton outside during Halloween, I would buy it. Well, today's my lucky day. Oh, sorry. Okay. Come on. Oh. Sorry, guys, I'm stuck in my wedding dress. But I paid $3 for the wedding dress. Still not excited. Because this was a lucky day for me, I swear. So there it is. It's really pretty if I really wanted, if I was going to take it apart. I mean, pretty. Look at all the beads. But I tell you, whoever the bride was, she was a skinny little thing. Because the waist can't be that much big. But that was the front. And look at the appliques in the back and then the lace. It's so pretty. Look at that lace. But I paid $3 for it. It's going to be on my skeleton for Halloween. It's been in storage a while, you can tell. So, there. And I got this for $4. It had this hand from the Dollar Tree, and I don't know why, but oh well. And look, ready? It has a funky light, ain't it cool? It's going on my front porch. I didn't care if that light worked or not. That's so cool. Okay. Then I got this for $1. I also got a little scarecrow looking guy that's a outdoor ornament that's long. I didn't bring it in. But I'm going to have Scott put this on a post for me. So I can, it's supposed to hang because there's a hanger. But I'm going to put it on a piece of board and stick it in the ground. Then I got this with this $4. I got to fix and put a little thing on there to catch the wind. It says welcome, and it's got all the little bird houses. I thought that was cute. Yeah, $4. I love wind chimes. And then I bought a bag, and Diamond wanted the butterflies. So she got the butterflies, and I got these. And I'm hoping they look good where I want to put them. If not, she said she'd take them. And I kept the one hummingbird. They were home materials. I wish they had both hummingbirds, but I got one hummingbird. And then that was from, yep, that's everything from the church set. We went to 2 St. Vincent DePaul stores. And of course, now that we went to the St. Vincent DePaul, or the church sale first. Well, once I had the bride dress, I knew I had to find a suit. You know, for the groom. So, this is cool. I went in the Halloween area, and I only paid half of $5.45 for this. So that was kind of cool. It is a tuxedo jacket with tails. I thought that was, I'm like, oh my god. So I got that, and I had a white shirt and a brown or black pants. And Diamond's like, put them away. I just went through some of Sam's clothes that he don't fit in. There's a white dress shirt in there and some black pants. So I got that for my groom, for my skeleton. And then I got this tie. Everything I bought at St. Vincent DePaul right now was half off the price of the sticker, so, or a different percentage. I know one color was 50%, one color was 75%. I couldn't tell you what color anymore. But I bought this tie for the groom, and it's a little clip-on tie. And I only paid $1.69. It was less than 50 cents, I think, or half or whatever. I don't remember. But, and then, oh, I got these flowers there, and that was another thing that was marked down. And I'm going to spray paint them black for my bride. That was from the one St. Vincent de Paul store. And then the second St. Vincent de Paul store, I got this for $1.03. And this guy for $1.03. Then we're going in my cemetery. And then I came across this tie. And Coda's actually taking the first tie I just showed you. This one is going on my groom. I think it's so cool. That is that. But I do have something I'm going to share on a different video that I got today from St. Vincent de Paul. So come back and look at that video and I'll have it listed. But that's it, guys. I went out with $50 and I came home with, let's say, 20 bucks, I think I counted, because Diamond and I, we counted. So I got it really, it was a good day for sales. So I am going back tomorrow to the church sale, because after, I think it's noon or 1 o'clock, I'll have to ask my neighbor, because it's where she's volunteering there today. It's fill a bag of anything for a certain price. So I want to go back and get me some t-shirts. So if I ruin them painting, it's not that big a deal. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Look for the other video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. See you later.